I'd like to take a look at a couple of the small things that Autodesk has added to AutoCAD 2017. One of them is the new hatch layer command called HP layer. So if I type in HP layer, press enter, I type in a layer. Let's just say the layer's name is Brian. Press enter. It sets the layer for your hatch objects to be drawn onto. So if I have a rectangle and I want to hatch in that layer, if I open up the layer manager, the only layer in this file is layer 0. And if I start the hatch command, and I'm just going to select my object, and when I select my hatch object, I see that it is on the Brian layer. Now, if I type in HP layer again, let's just say this is new layer, press enter, erase that, and start a new hatch command again. As soon as I start it, it creates the new layer. Draw on my hatch pattern, and my hatch object is on that new layer. The nice thing about this is that you can set up a layer for your hatch patterns to go on, set it as your default, then it will automatically create that layer in your drawings, even if the layer does not exist. Another item that Autodesk added is in units. There's a new unit of measurement, and it's called US Survey Feet. Now, if I select it, I'll get this warning message. It says units set to US Survey Feet are not fully supported in previous versions. Now I can click right here to tell it to not do that anymore. Click OK, and click OK. And now my units are in US Survey Feet. Another small thing is in a multiple mode for your text edit command. And it's turned on by default now. So when I start the text edit command, you'll see that it says here current setting edit mode equals multiple. So what that means is that when I select the text object and I edit it, I press enter, my text edit command is still active. So I can keep going and make multiple changes to different text objects. Now, if I double click on a text object, it puts me into edit mode. I press enter. I'm still in text edit mode. You may not want it to be on. So if you don't, start the command, type in M for mode, press enter, and click on the single option. And that'll put it back to normal so that I edit one text object and it closes out the command. And again, in the same way, start the text edit command again, go to mode, and select multiple. So if you edit a lot of text objects, you may want to turn that on. Those are just 3 little things that may or may not pertain to how you use AutoCAD, but for those that would use them, they will be very helpful.